Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning with GeoSnips. We are back with another video tutorial. Today our topic of discussion is densify by count operation. How you can perform this in QGIS we are going to show you in this particular tutorial. We have added two layers here. One is a line layer and another is a polygon layer. We will give you an example of each of them. So basically why we are doing this particular operation. Let me give you an example. Just click the line layer and select the feature. Once you will press the editing option, you can see that you are having 6 vertices here. What if I want to increase the number of vertices in my layer or in any of my feature? How I can perform this? So this is the operation which we do in QGIS by using the densify by count operation. Let me show you how you can do that. Just switch off the editing mode and go to vector, go to geometric tools, go to densify by count operation, and then a window will appear. In this particular window, just select the input layer. For now it is a line layer, and if you are having more than one feature in your layer and you wanted to do it for some selected feature, then check out this option. And for number of vertices, you can see that we are already having 5 vertices and I want 4 more vertices in my layer, and then run the process and close it. Now you can see one more layer has been added to your layer panel. Click the layer. Now if you want to check how many vertices has been added, just select the feature and go to edit mode. Now you can see this many parameters has been added to your layer. So that's how basically we perform the densify by count operation in QGIS. What if you want to perform the same operation for polygon? So let's see that also. Deselect the previously selected layer and then click the polygon layer and then select this. Now you can see that there are many vertices around the polygon boundaries. Now if you want to increase this, same, go to vector, geometric tools, densify by count and select your polygon layer. Now what if we want 5 more vertices into our layer, and then run it and then close it. Now you see that one more layer has been added to your layer panel. Just click that layer and select the features and then go to editing. Now you can see the number of vertices has been increased. So that's how basically we perform the densify by count option in QGIS. So that's it for today. Thank you.